nagkaroon ng hope yung mga tulad po namin na players.
Before pa pala magkaroon ng men's na import, meron nang nauna, babae pa. Men's na import, meron nang nauna, babae pa.
Yung gap ng inequality ng women's and men's, sobrang layo. Mga jersey namin,
Palaging galing sa men's basketball.
we're not allowed to cut our hair short.
Kailangan yung short above the knee.
Kailangan mo maglaro ng naka-lipstick.
The support from the community, a lot of it is based around men. It doesn't really drive like the female community to go out and play.
Meron kasing stereotype na pag naglalaro ka ng basketball, sasabihan ka na tomboy, ganun.
As a mother, kailangan ko i-balance yung time.
And of course, being a national athlete, you have to be at the highest